Y'all need to be talking.
Yo, we on the Brooklyn Bridge right now. Man, y'all gotta see this to believe this. I mean,
let them know where we heading to, man.
Where we heading to? I'm heading to a photo shoot and
audition.
A movie audition. That's where we going. I forgot. I'm lost for words right now. Too busy. I don't know where we going. Like that right there. I don't know what bridge that is.
I didn't know where we were going at the time, but we gonna go to the photo shoot. But I'm just excited, man. We on the Brooklyn Bridge right now. It's crazy. I used to watch it on movies and TV, and I'm like really on it now. Like Hollywood or something.
Reese
walking on that.
Oh, I don't got nothing to say right now. I just got through saying everything. I'm back looking again right now. Y'all come back in about 10 minutes. I'll be back. 5 minutes.